Hello everyone, welcome back to the Jankoton YouTube channel where I share knowledge about marketing automation, AI and technology. In today's video, Jankoton will introduce you to an automation software on the Twitter platform which was recently renamed X by Elon Musk. In this video, I'll be sharing the features of this software, so watch this video to get an overview of the features of the Market X software. See if it suits you so you can decide whether we should use this software together. Alright, first, let's open the GTX software. And when you open it, its main interface will look like this. And if you want to explore its features, Sangro Tool has already displayed a lot of features for you right here. We have account management, content management, interaction script, viral marketing, follow function, update information, unlock account, and finally scan data. So let's go through each function one by one. First is the account management section. In this section, you can manage an unlimited number of Twitter accounts. And here, for testing purposes, we currently have 32 accounts together, as you can see on the screen. The software also supports attaching proxies to each of these accounts. So you can completely do what? You can manage and use multiple Twitter accounts on a single device, just on the same device, everyone. All right, once you're done with this section, you'll move on to content management. Here, you can add the content you've already prepared. So you can retweet, tweet, like, and comment on those tweets, everyone. That's right, you can do all of that. Next, we have a section called interaction script. In this section, you can add your Twitter accounts here, and you will use them to browse content on the platform just like real users. And save it just like a real user would. This helps minimize the chances of the platform detecting and flagging your activity. Your Twitter accounts, right? We have a section called viral marketing. This section is very important because you can automatically post tweets. You can post tweets from different accounts, post tweets in communities, post according to community IDs, and even join communities automatically. You can set up any tweet, comment based on keywords, reply to comments, send messages, or upvote to increase the chances of your tweet trending. You can also follow personal pages and use other features as you see on the screen. And also posts. This is the viral marketing feature. That means you use a lot of your Twitter accounts. To be able to push a tweet to trend, that's the simplest thing. And there are many other basic features as well, everyone. Then we have the follow function. In this section, you can follow others by user, by keyword, by post. You can also unfollow or increase engagement for your followers. We also have a section called update information. In this section, you can change the information related to your Twitter account. We have this automatic account unlocking feature. And finally, there's the scan data section, which allows you to extract data from the Twitter platform. For example, you can scan a specific Twitter account or a particular Twitter post or scan accounts based on keywords, the information of a specific account, for instance, or you can scan follow rules. You can do all of that, everyone. And this is an overview of the features of the Market X software. This is what Jankoton wanted to share with you in today's video. If you find these features suitable for you, or if even just one of them fits your needs, please contact Jankoton via Telegram or WhatsApp as shown on the screen. Jankoton will provide you with further consultation. Thank you for watching this video and see you again in the next videos on the Jankoton Marketing Autom YouTube channel.